Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to check your upcoming payments in Amazon Seller Central. If you're an Amazon seller, knowing when and how much you'll get paid in upcoming dispersals is crucial for managing your cash flow and planning your business. Let's dive right into it. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account using your username and password. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Payments tab in the top menu, and from the drop-down menu, select Payments. This will take you to the Payments dashboard, where you can find all the details related to your account balance and payment history. Now that you're on the Payments dashboard, here you'll see a summary of your current balance. This section shows the amount for your next upcoming payment, and at the bottom you can see the next payment date along with the specific amount that will be disbursed. This section provides a detailed breakdown of your next payment, including the opening balance, total sales, any refunds, fees deducted, and the reserved amount. To get a detailed view of your received payments, navigate to the Transaction View tab. If you want to see all the disbursements that have been deposited into your account, head over to the Disbursement tab. Here you'll see all your disbursements. And that's it. Staying on top of your payments helps you manage your cash flow and grow your business effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our video.